Effortless Elegance, Elegant Men's Fashion Ideas. Effortless Elegance, Elegant Men's Fashion Ideas. When it comes to men's fashion, achieving elegance often comes down to striking a balance between style and comfort. The notion of effortless elegance has gained popularity in recent years as men strive to appear polished and put together without appearing as if they've tried too hard. In this article, we will explore some timeless fashion ideas that will help men exude effortless elegance in Era everyday style. 1. Tailored suits. A well-fitted suit is the epitome of elegance. Investing in a well-tailored suit is a must for any man who wants to exude sophistication. Opt for classic colors like navy, charcoal, gray, or black, as they never go out of style. Pair it with a crisp white dress shirt and a simple tie for a timeless look. Remember, the key is to make sure the suit fits you perfectly, so consider having it altered if needed. 2. Timeless accessories. Accessories can elevate any outfit and add a touch of elegance. Invest in high-quality leather belts and shoes that complement your overall look. Choose classic styles such as loafers, Oxford shoes, or Chelsea boots. When it comes to belts, stick to simple and understated designs in a shade that coordinates with your shoes. 3. The power of a white dress shirt. A white dress shirt is a staple in any man's wardrobe. It is versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Pair it with a suit for a formal look, or wear it with jeans and a blazer for a more casual yet refined appearance. Make sure to choose a shirt that fits well, paying attention to the collar and sleeve length. 4. Embrace minimalism. Effortless elegance often lies in simplicity. Embrace minimalism in your wardrobe choices by opting for clean lines and neutral colors. Build a capsule wardrobe consisting of classic, versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched effortlessly. This approach not only saves you time when getting dressed but also lends an air of sophistication to your overall style. 5. Attention to detail. Elegance is in the details. Pay attention to the small things that can make a big difference. Ensure that your clothes are well pressed and free from wrinkles. Pay attention to grooming by keeping your hair well styled and facial hair neatly groomed. Additionally, invest in quality accessories like a stylish watch or a pocket square to add an extra touch of refinement to your outfit. 6. Quality fabrics. The fabric of your clothing plays a crucial role in achieving an elegant look. Opt for garments made from high-quality materials like cotton, wool, or silk. Not only do these fabrics feel luxurious, but they also drape better, giving your outfit a more polished look. Avoid synthetic fabrics that often look cheap and can undermine your efforts to exude elegance. 7. The importance of fit. The fit of your clothing can make or break an outfit. Pay attention to how your clothes fit your body shape, as the right fit is essential for achieving effortless elegance. Avoid clothing that is too tight or too loose, as neither will give off the desired effect. Instead, opt for tailored or slim-fit garments that flatter your physique without being overly restrictive. 8. Casual elegance. Effortless elegance is not limited to formal attire. You can also achieve it in more casual settings. Invest in well-fitted jeans or chinos in neutral colors like navy, khaki, or gray. Pair them with a well-fitting polo shirt or a button-down shirt for a polished, yet relaxed look. Don't forget to pay attention to your footwear by opting for clean, well-maintained sneakers or loafers. 9. Confidence is key. No matter how well dressed you are, true elegance can only be achieved with confidence. Wear your chosen outfits with pride and carry yourself with poise. Confidence is the ultimate accessory that completes any elegant look. Remember that when you feel good in what you are wearing, it will inevitably be reflected in your posture and the way you carry yourself. Effortless elegance in men's fashion is not about following trends, but rather about embracing classic styles and investing in high-quality pieces that stand the test of time. By focusing on fit, paying attention to details, and exuding confidence, any man can effortlessly achieve an elegant and sophisticated style. So, gentlemen, go forth and embrace the world of timeless fashion with Effortless Elegance.